Hello guys, in this video we will see Nintendo Switch with how to force a restart, fix unresponsive system that won't restart. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Set the power button, hold content, attempt the standard power off, locate the power button on the top of the Nintendo Switch console, press and hold this button for at least 12 seconds. Do not release the button prematurely. If the console is truly frozen, it may take several seconds for the screen to go dark, indicating the power is off. If this doesn't resolve the issue, proceed to the next step.
Step to check for external power source. Content ensure the Nintendo Switch is not connected to a power source. If it is docked, remove it from the dock and disconnect the power adapter. This can sometimes resolve conflicts that are preventing a proper shutdown after disconnecting the power source. Wait for approximately 30 seconds before attempting a power cycle again using the power button method outlined in step. Step by forced shutdown via power button and volume buttons. Content. If the standard power button hold is ineffective, try a forced shutdown using a combination of buttons. Simultaneously press and hold the power button and the volume down button for at least 10 seconds. The screen should turn off, indicating the system has been forced to power down. If this does not work, continue to the next step.
Step a software update check after restart. Content. Once you have successfully restarted the console using one of the previous methods, attempt to update the system. Software. Connect your Nintendo Switch to the internet. Go to the system settings and check for any available system updates. An out-of-hit system can sometimes lead to system freezes and unresponsive behavior. Installing any available updates may resolve the issue.
Step. Contact Nintendo support. Content. If none of the previous steps have resolved the problem, the issue may require professional attention. Contact Nintendo support directly via their official website or phone line. They can provide further troubleshooting assistance or advise on repair or replacement options for your unresponsive Nintendo Switch console.